Okay, hi everyone. This is a quick video from Charles and myself
Hello.
on some of the features of Google Hangouts Meet that they've enabled to allow you to do live streaming and also recording. So when you're in a Meet, you'll find down at the bottom. Let me just share my screen. You'll find down at the bottom here these magic three dots, and on there you have the ability to record. We're recording right now, and to stream. Now, the idea of streaming is to allow a lot of people to join a Hangout and watch without participating. So the people actually in the Hangout, they use this link in the browser to join and participate. But those streaming, they can connect using their browser and just listen in. So if you need to do a presentation to a large group of people, that's how you use this feature. And in Google Calendar, that you'll see there are these two links. So there's the Join Hangouts Meet. That's for those people that are going to actually participate. But then you've got the link to the stream, and you can share this on Slack or otherwise, and then people can connect and watch the discussion. Now, the way you do this is the way you take advantage of this feature is when you create a calendar entry. Like, let me make a test one right now. You click on the location, you add conferencing, and then you click on add live stream. So you have to do this when you create the calendar invite. You can't add a stream to an existing Hangout, so you have to do it in advance. And then once you've got that, the rest you can just add people as normal, yeah, and then share the link to the stream once you join the meeting, and once you join the Hangout, it's going to ask you if you want to start streaming again. From this menu, you've got options to control these elements. Now we've stopped streaming, and you can also control the recording. So that's just a quick intro. Anything I missed, Charles?
Not that I can think of.
Okay, great. Cool. Okay, then I'll stop the recording and we'll share it on Slack.
Sounds good.
Have a great day, everyone.